to create a Tabby account in Saudi Arabia. 1. Download the Tabby app from the App Store or Google Play on your phone. 2. Open the app and tap Create Account or Sign Up. Like for Sign Up, Create Account, Sign Up. 3. Enter your Saudi mobile number. You'll receive an OTP code for verification. 4. Type in your full name, email address, and national ID or ICAMA number. 5. Create a secure password and agree to Tabby's terms and conditions. 6. If you plan to use Tabby for shopping, link a valid debit or credit card issued in Saudi Arabia. 7. Once your details are verified, your Tabby account will be activated instantly. 8. You can now shop online or in store at partner stores like Namshi, Shein, Jarir, and Extra using Tabby's Buy Now Pay Later feature.